All right, let's get right into it. Most of us think of a savings account as just a digital piggy bank, right? It's just a safe place to park our money. But what if it could be way more than that? What if it could be an active tool, a machine that's tirelessly working to grow your wealth, even while you sleep? Today, we're going to figure out exactly how to make that happen.
So let me ask you this. Think about your own bank account for a second. What job have you given it? Is it just a wallet, something that passively holds your cash until you need to spend it? Or is it a workshop, where every single rupee is being put to work actively building your financial future?
And believe me, that difference is massive. See, most accounts, they just sit there, maybe earning you a tiny little bit of interest. But the best accounts, the ones we're going to explore right now, they're designed from the ground up to actively generate returns for you. So the real key here is shifting our mindset from just storing money to strategically growing it.
Okay, so to make the best choice, we first need to understand the lay of the land. In India, savings accounts pretty much fall into 3 distinct categories, and each one is built for a different kind of saver with a totally different financial goal.
At the end of the day, your decision often boils down to this one fundamental trade-off. Are you all about getting the absolute highest interest rate possible on your savings, or do you value the rock-solid stability, the huge network, and all the premium services you get from a big, established bank? Let's break down who comes out on top in each of these categories. First up, we've got the high-yield players. And what's really amazing here are these interest rates. We're talking 7% or even more. Accounts from banks like AU, Equitas, and IDFC First are absolutely perfect for things like your emergency fund. Any big chunk of money you need to keep handy but still want to earn returns that can actually compete with a fixed deposit. Now, on the other side of the coin, you have the giants, HDFC, ICIC, SBI. You'll notice right away the interest rates are much, much lower, hovering around 3%. So you might be asking, why would anyone choose them? Well, it's because you're not just getting an account, you're buying into an entire ecosystem. This is where your salary account goes, your daily driver. This is for when you need a perfect app, a massive ATM network, and easy access to the best credit cards and loans. You're choosing stability over raw returns here.
But what if you're just starting your journey? For students, or really for anyone who just hates the stress of maintaining a minimum balance, these zero balance accounts are a complete game changer. You've got these digital-first options, like the super popular Kodak 811, that let you open an account right from your phone in minutes, and you never have to worry about fees for your balance dropping too low. It's the perfect entry point.
Now, listen up, because no matter which type of account you lean towards, there is one powerful and honestly, often overlooked feature that can totally supercharge your returns. We are talking about the auto sweep facility, and frankly, it is the closest thing you'll find to a secret weapon in personal banking.
So what on earth is it? Well, put simply, it's like an automatic instruction you give your bank. You're basically telling the bank to sweep any extra money, any amount above a limit that you get to set, out of your low-interest savings account and move it into a linked, high-interest fixed deposit.
And the process is just beautifully simple. First, you set a threshold, let's say 25,000 rupees. Anything above that, the bank automatically whisks away into an FD. That money immediately starts earning way higher interest. But, and this is the best part, if you need that money back for any reason, the bank instantly breaks the FD for you. So you get the high returns and you keep total liquidity. It's the best of both worlds.
So what kind of returns are we really talking about? This. Instead of that boring 3%, the money that gets swept into an FD can earn 7 or even 8%. That is more than double the earning power, all without you lifting a finger. Okay, so you know about the secret weapon now, but how do you actually evaluate these accounts like a pro? You see, the advertised interest rate, that's just the headline. The real story, the important stuff, is in the details, and a smart investor knows exactly where to look. These are the 4 pillars you need to check. First, how often do they actually pay out your interest? Second, how does the bank handle withdrawals when you've got those auto-sweep FDs? Third, how good is their digital experience really? And finally, what are the sneaky hidden fees for things like debit cards and ATMs? We're going to zoom in on the first 2 because they have the biggest impact on your money. Let's start with interest payout. Most banks pay you interest quarterly, so 4 times a year. But some of the newer banks like IDFC First, they pay it out monthly. Now, this might sound like a tiny detail, but for the power of compounding, it's huge. When you get paid interest every single month, you start earning interest on that interest much sooner, and that just accelerates your wealth growth over time. Second, we have the LIFO principle.
Now I know, this sounds really technical, but trust me, it's a brilliant feature designed to protect your earnings. It just means last in, first out. So let's say your auto sweep has created a few FDs for you, and now you need some cash. The bank is smart about it. It intelligently breaks the newest FD first, and this is great because it leaves your older deposits, the ones that have been earning interest the longest, completely untouched so they can just keep on growing.
Okay, we've gone through the different types of accounts, we've uncovered the secret weapon, and we've got our expert checklist. Now let's pull it all together. Based on your specific needs, here is a clear, actionable blueprint to help you make the absolute right choice for you.
The financial experts at Arthveda really break it down nicely. If you're building an emergency fund, you should be chasing those high yields from IDFC First or AU. For your monthly salary and all your daily spending, the powerful, reliable ecosystems of HDFC or ICICI are just unbeatable. And if you're a student or just starting out on your financial journey, Kotak 811 is the perfect, no-stress way to go. Now, at this point, there is always one big question that pops up, especially when we start talking about these fantastic high-yield accounts offered by the small finance banks. It's a totally fair question, and it deserves a very, very clear answer.
And here is that answer. 5 lakh rupees. By law, this is the amount of your money that is insured in every single one of these banks. Period.
So, let me be perfectly clear. Your money, up to 5 lakh rupees per person per bank, and that includes both your original principal and all the interest you've earned, is protected by the DICGC. This is a subsidiary of the Reserve Bank of India, so you can absolutely be confident that your funds are secure.
This quote from the source material just perfectly sums up everything we've talked about. We have to stop seeing our savings account as some passive storage locker and start treating it as an active financial tool. By choosing the right account and turning on features like auto sweep, you can make sure every single rupee you own is working hard for your future.
And that really just leaves us with one final thought. Whether it's earning a measly 3% or a fantastic 7%, your money is always working. The real question you should be asking yourself is this: have you given it the best possible job to do?